Hey guys, this is Nick from Dirt King Fabrication. Today we're going to be working on a 2016 Toyota Tacoma. The truck currently has our long travel kit on the front, coilover, bypass, and bump stops. It does have a current spring under kit on it now. The customer feels that the front is far outperforming the rear, so we're going to go ahead and swap out this spring under package for our spring under kit, as well as our prefab bed cage. So we'll see what we're starting with now. So this is with the truck at its ride height. So you can see on the shock shaft, we have 7 inches of shaft showing. At the axle to the frame, we have 11 inches. So with the proper setup bed cage, this truck could cycle 10 to 11 inches of bump travel. Right now, it's probably getting about 5 to 6 at the most. It's not using all the shock now because the bed cage design that's in there now. So what we're going to do is we're going to use our prefab bed cage spring under kit. We're going to use the same shocks. This is a King 3.0 by 16. So this is our base ride height, and then we can go ahead and droop the suspension out and see where we're at. So you can see at full droop, we have about 12 inches of shock shaft exposed, and this is on a 16-inch stroke shock, so we're definitely not using all the shock. So what we're going to do is cut off these front hangers, the rear hangers, install our spring under kit, and then we're going to use these same shocks and we'll put our prefab bed cage in. We will take video throughout the process, and we'll take the same measurements after we're done. Right there's 150. Hey guys, we're wrapping up on this Tacoma spring under install. So you can see we have our Dirt King Fabrication spring under kit, which comes with the shackles, the front and rear hangers, the spring under plates, and all the hardware that you're going to need. This also has the Deaver H70 HD leaf pack. We did our frame notch and bump stop kit, which uses a King 2.0 by 2.0 bump stop. And then this customer used 3.0 by 16 King 3.2 bypasses as well. So we'll take a look at the measurements now from where we were before. So if we take a measurement on the shock, so this is a strapped measurement as well. You can see we have a full 16 inches of shaft on the shock showing. It's actually at 15 3/4, so that accounts for any stretch on the limit strap. And then to the bump stop, we have 15 3/4 inches, plus the 2 inches of compression on the bump stop, puts us at a full 17 3/4 inches of usable travel, which is a lot more than it was getting before. This one we also boxed the inside of the frame on it. We did our cross supports from cross member to the hangers on the shackles for additional support, and our prefab bed cage. All right, we have jacked the rear of the truck up to simulate ride height. You can take a look at our shock measurement now. With the prior spring under kit, we had 7 inches of shock shaft showing. Now you can see we got 11 1/4. And then we got 10 inches to the bump stop pad, and an additional 2 inches of bump stop compression for 12 inches of bump travel.